Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger UK and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm in Los Gigantes, Tenerife. I'm just down by the harbour. You can see all the boats behind me here. It's a lovely sunny day. Look, there's all blue sky, there's no clouds. It's pretty amazing. And I've just come by bus. It took about an hour and 20 minutes to get here from Los Cristianos. And I'm going to go on the Rapido speedboat. It's a two-hour excursion. It cost me €20 and it's going at 3 o'clock. I've got 15 minutes. It should be good fun, so I'll be filming that. Let's hope it's a good trip. Right, so we're in the Los Gigantes port. Here's a bar here. We'll just walk along. Got all the boats here. Going on the Rapido, which is up here on the corner. So I've only got to walk along here. Look at those cliffs, look at that, it's amazing. What a sight. There's a bit of a breeze today, so that's nice. It must be at least 32 degrees again. It's been very hot the last few days here. Oh, there's a boat coming in. I think they got some sort of kalima here. It's very hot. So we're just walking along here. Got the Taberna Santa Maria bar. There's another one here. Not going to say how you pronounce that. Peju Verde, is it? Looks nice. There's a supermarket here. I probably just paid too much for a beer, a tiny little Dorada beer. I paid $1.75 for that. I bet if I go in there it's 50p. 50 cents, what do you reckon? Never mind. Ah, there's the, that must be the Flipper Uno going out over there. I've been on that boat before, it's nice. But as you can see, there's a lot of people on it. I don't fancy going on that boat, it's got too many people on it, so I gave that a miss. Go on the Rapido one, there's only 10 people go on it apparently. So I gave that one a miss. So we've got the Rafa bar here. Oh, you can't see it, let's zoom back out. Rafa bar. There's quite a few little bars here. No solo vino. What's that? The KV bar. The KV bar. I think I've stopped there before for a drink. A few clothes shops, souvenir shops, a bag shop here. There's some shops round the back. But I won't have time to do that now. I can do that another time. Maybe when I get off the boat later. La Paella restaurant. Rustica. Aloe vera shop. There you go, so we're coming to the end now. And that's it. There's a little bar at the end here. Si alquila, that means to rent, I think. Se vende means for sell. Maria Rosa. There we go, we've got a little bar there. So there's nice little boats here. So we're going to head back over here now in the corner. Go along here and right, and then we'll get on that boat I'm on about. Look at that, you can see some fish in the sea there. Can you see them? There's quite a few of them there. There's a lot of little ones there, look, little ones. Right. It's quite cool. Don't ask me what names fish they are, I haven't got a clue. Right, let's go to the boat. Here we go, so we're on the Rapido. We're just going out the harbour. It's full up, there's only one empty seat. I'm at the back unfortunately. I was hoping to get at the front, but never mind. I'm sure I'll still get a good view. Here we go. Let's show you a picture of me. Ooh. Well, hey, let's go. Look at them amazing views of those cliffs. You can see a new building built over there, that white one. That one there, that's a new one. So we're just going out the harbour. I'll probably stop filming if it gets too fast and bumpy. Don't want to lose my phone in the sea. There's the beach, Los Gigantes Beach. It's a beautiful sunny day. The sea looks quite calm. There's a nice cold breeze, which is a bonus. Hopefully we'll see some whales and dolphins. Be pretty close up to them if we do see some. It's quite a narrow boat this. It's not very wide, it's probably about 2 metres wide. I wonder how rapid this is. I didn't ask how fast it goes. It might scare me. It might bounce up and down with the waves. Makes it a bit of fun, I suppose. It's just speeding up a bit now. It's getting a bit bumpier. Waves look pretty bigger than you think. All good fun. I saw the Clipper Uno boat just went out a minute ago. I think it's up there ahead on the horizon. You can see that. It's got a lovely view of the cliffs here. Some birds on the sea there, over there. Seagulls. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Johnny Vlogger UK, and be much appreciated. Yeah, look, there's lots of seagulls there. Bit weird how they're just sitting on the sea. There's one. Probably see some fly away when we go near them. That looks like a baby one. So going a bit further out now. Lovely view of the cliffs there of Los Gigantes, right along the coast there. Pretty amazing. There's quite a few boats out. See the Flipperuno ahead. We'll probably go past it in a minute. Can't see any whales yet or dolphins. I'm sure they're not far away now. Lots of seagulls. There's the Flipperuno. I have been on that boat. It's good, but it's not as fast as this one. This one's a lot faster. Look at those waves. A bit weird. All the boats, they communicate with each other to find out where the best spots are for whales. Here we go, so there's some dolphins there, look. They're coming towards us. About 4 or 5. They vanished. They're gone. Oh well. They come and go. It is luck sometimes if you see them. There we go, there's some there.
Foto.
There was quite a few of them there. Half a dozen, I reckon.
Buenas tardes, ya renové lo de la emisora. Se vuelve a tupir. Joder, justo estaba haciendo pruebas de eso, a ver si era una cosa aquí. Vale, dile que se ponga a la prueba. guía nada más, solamente guía. Javi, aquí queda Manuel.
Some over there on the right, ahead. Maybe the man's gonna try and get near them. See if we can get near them. Oh, sorry. Here we go, they're coming towards us. It'd be great if they come out very close. I won't zoom in because 9 out of 10 you can't see them. There you go. That's pretty. There we are, so we saw some dolphins. I hope you like that. Now we're going to try and look for some whales, I think. Probably go a bit further out. Still can't see. Oh, I can just see La Gomera faintly in the distance. I don't know if you can see it on this video. Straight ahead over there, you can just see the outline of the island. It's been very foggy and misty. You can see a load of black cloud out on the... if you look over here, you can see a grey line of cloud. So there's the Flipperuno. Shall we wave to him? Look how calm that bit of sea is there, where it's just moved. It's a bit weird. Some more again. They're resurfacing. Let's try and get them close up. Look at that. Very close. There's one. Two more. Oh, hey. There's loads of them. There's about half a dozen of them.
Lo pongamos a de más de 900. Entonces, claro, aquí me están matando a mí con el podcast. Y eso, los dos barcos, los demás que ya no salen más.
Ja, oben, tschüss. Da waren wir jetzt.
green thing under the water? Some funny blue lines under the water. Did you see that on camera? I don't know if that was the outline of the dolphins. Very strange. Wow, what's that down there?
Das habe ich hier auch gesehen. Ich dachte, das sind sie nicht.
There we go.
It's Nancy. I don't look at that.
Pero la cosa es que estén preparados.
This is pretty cool. I haven't seen this many dolphins before. There's some more.
No, digo yo entraba a las 5, iba a recoger a la gente, después salía con el viaje de las 5.
Four there. Quite a lot today. Wow, look at that. There's 6 or 7 there. That seagull's brave. Could get cooked up. Not sure if dolphins eat seagulls. So they come and go.
Oh, sind die so dicht drin.
So we're getting a lot of coverage today of dolphins. So as you can see, we saw quite a lot of dolphins today. I just asked the driver if there's any whales around, but he doesn't think there is. It is a luck of the draw. Sometimes you get a bit of both, sometimes just whales, sometimes just dolphins. You can never tell. But from experience of other boat trips I've been on, it's definitely quite good today for dolphins in big groups, clusters. So I hope you enjoyed the coverage I've shown. I'll try and see if I can film some more. I can see some now.
Marina dice,
Gracias, muchacho.
ay muchachos.